Hi there friends, Rachel Smith, your Big Bear real estate expert with RE/MAX, and today I am going to dive into why owning a home here in Big Bear is not just a dream, but a very, very smart investment. So whether you're a buyer, seller, or just mountain dreaming, stick around because I'm going to break it down into 5 key reasons why Big Bear is the place to plant your real estate roots. So let's jump right in. Reason number 1, year-round tourism. Big Bear is not just a one-season destination. Between ski season, summer lake fun, fall foliage, and spring hikes, people flock year-round. That means owning a home here opens up amazing opportunities for short-term rentals and consistent income. Reason number 2, affordable entry point. Compared to other California hotspots like Lake Tahoe or Mammoth, Big Bear offers a much more affordable price point. Whether you're buying a second home or an investment property, your dollar goes further here without sacrificing charm or amenities. Reason number 3, appreciation potential. Real estate here has consistently shown strong appreciation over the years. With our unique mix of mountain views, lakeside properties, and proximity to SoCal cities, Big Bear homes hold and grow in value. Reason number 4, tax benefits. If you're renting out your Big Bear home as a vacation rental, you can potentially take advantage of tax deductions for things like maintenance, repairs, and mortgage interest. And if it's a second home, there are even more perks. Always consult your CPA, but trust me, the benefits are there. Reason number 5, your personal escape. And let's not forget the most rewarding part of owning a Big Bear home. You get your very own mountain getaway. Whether it's skiing with the family, hiking with your friends, or just sitting by your fireplace with a cup of coffee, this is an investment in your quality of life. So there you have it, 5 solid reasons why owning a Big Bear home is not just a great lifestyle choice, but a smart financial move too. If you're ready to make it happen, let's chat. Drop your questions in the comments or reach out directly. I'd love to help you find your perfect mountain retreat. Until next time, stay warm and keep dreaming big. I'm Rachel Smith again with RE/MAX up here in Big Bear. Talk to you soon. Bye.